Hello, dear parents, guardians, and children. My name is Brigitte Witonze from Shenmo Education Rwanda. This summer holiday, give your child a powerful head start in mathematics. Shenmo Education Rwanda, in partnership with Rwanda Basic Education Board, brings you the exciting Abacus Mental Math summer program, specially designed for primary school children, especially those in lower primary, from P1 to P3. The Abacus is a traditional calculating tool used for performing fast and accurate arithmetic operations. Through the ancient Abacus method, your child will learn to calculate faster than a calculator. This program improves concentration, sharpens the memory, boosts confidence, and strengthens overall academic performance. Abacus training helps children to develop strong memory arithmetic skills, logical thinking, and a love of mathematics that will last a lifetime. Parents and guardians, we encourage you to follow this valuable program together with your children on YouTube channel of Rwanda Basic Education Board through this summer holiday. Don't miss this golden opportunity to support your child's bright future. Let's together build a bright mind. Thank you.
Hello, how are you learners? Welcome to today's class. How are you?
We are fine, thank you, teacher.
Thank you. You can sit down.
Thank you.
I'm welcoming you to our today's class, isn't it?
Yes.
And please get your abacus. I am grateful that I hope that you remember what we handled in the last chapters, and we'll begin immediately. So sit upright. Remember to hold your pencil in the right position to show us your middle, this thumb and index, right?
Yes.
Hold the left part of your abacus. We are going to do a simple warm-up skill. Moving beads on all the columns. 1 on all the columns. Return 1. Remember to use the thumb while moving and index while returning. Moving 2. Remember to use the thumb, moving 2 on all the columns. Return 2, using the index, moving 3 on all the columns. Return 3 on all the columns using the index. Moving 4 on all the columns. Return 4 using the index. Moving 5 on all the columns using your index. Return 5. Good. Moving 6. Have you moved in 6? Are you moving 6?
Yes.
Return 6. Remember to pinch out at the same time, like I'm doing. 7. Return 7, very fast. Very fast. 8. Remember 8 is 5 and 3 lower beads. Return 8. You see this 8? Then you return 8. Keep holding the left side of your abacus. Return 8. Moving 9. Moving 9. Return 9. Good. That is a simple warm-up skill. So we continue now. Moving 1. Return 1. Keep holding the left side of your abacus. Moving 2. Return 2. Moving 3. Return 3. Moving 4. Return 4. Moving 5. Return 5. 6. Return 6. 7. Return 7. 8. return 8, 9, return 9. That's good. Then I'll be reading as you do on your abacus to obtain the answers. Moving 2, plus 2, keep holding the left side of the abacus, minus 1, plus 5. Which answer do we have on our abacus? Yes, Briella?
The answer we have on abacus is 3.
Briella, thank you. Good trial. She says the answer we have on our abacus is 3. Kevin, which answer do we have on our abacus?
The answer we have on abacus, we have 8.
Kevin has 8. The correct answer is 8. Good. Return 8. Moving 2, plus 2, plus 5, minus 4, plus 2, minus 1. Answer on abacus. My dad, which answer do we have on abacus?
On our abacus, we have 7.
He says we have 7.
Six.
Good. Good. Which answer do we have on abacus?
On our abacus we have 6.
He has 6 on his abacus. Let's look at mine here. Which answer do I have on this abacus of mine?
6.
So 6 is the correct answer. Return 6. Let's revise a little bit on the chapters previously taught. We talked about making 5. Do you still remember making 5?
Yes.
What do we do when making 5? What happens when making 5? What do we use while making 5? You can try. Please share with us what we can do while making 5.
While making 5, we use the sibling numbers.
We use the sibling numbers. Good. Thank you. Good answer. For her, she remembers that while making 5, we use the sibling numbers. Do you still remember the sibling numbers?
Yes.
Okay. What is the sibling number of 1?
4.
The sibling number of 1 is 4. But before you tell me 4, what is the sibling number? Like she has shared. What is the sibling number? Like we talked about in the previous lesson, what is the sibling number? Kim, can you try?
Yes.
Yes, what is the sibling number?
Sibling numbers are numbers that we add to get 5.
Good. We are going to clap for Kim in a 2 factorial. Do you still remember the 2 factorial? You will clap twice first, then once last. 1, 2, 3. Good, Kim. She says sibling numbers, these are numbers that we add together to make a total of 5. That means if I have 3 apples and they add 2 more apples to me, how many apples will I be having?
5.
Which means 3 is a sibling of 2. Let's assume that Tom has 4 balls and his dad decides to add him 1 more ball. How many balls will he be having?
5.
Good. That means 4 is a sibling of 1. Here, together, what is the sibling number of 1?
4.
What is the sibling number of 2?
3.
What is the sibling number of 3?
2.
And what is the sibling number of 4?
1.
Good. Let's start using these sibling numbers to work out. Look at my abacus and don't touch your abacus. I'll take an example. 2 plus 3 plus 1, like we studied in the previous lesson. Using my thumb, I move in 2. Using my index, I'm required to add 3. How should I add 3 beads? Do I have 3 beads to add?
No.
How am I going to add 3 beads? Look at my abacus, don't touch your abacus. I move in 5 and I return the sibling number of 3. What is the sibling number of 3?
2.
2. I return 2. Then plus 1. Remember, any number without a sign, it means it is a positive number. Are we together?
Yes.
For a number to become negative, you should see a negative sign. Any number here without a sign is a positive number. So which answer do we have on our abacus?
6.
Very good. Our answer is 6. So on your abacus, moving 2 plus 3, make 5 and remove the sibling of 3, which is 2, then plus 1. And our answer is 6. This is making 5. So on your abacus, together, moving 4 plus 5 minus 2 minus 5, then plus 4. Do we have 4 bits to add? No. What should we do? Make 5 and remove the sibling of 4, which is 1, making our answer 6. Next, let's talk about breaking 5. We had also talked about something as breaking 5. Do you still remember breaking 5?
Yes.
Okay, I need you to remind me more on breaking 5 like we talked last time. Who can try? Who can remind me? When do we use breaking 5? When are we required to use breaking 5? She wants to try. When do we use breaking 5? Yes, please, you can try. Present your answer.
We use breaking 5 when we are returning.
She says we use breaking 5 when we are returning. Good. We use breaking 5 when we are returning or when we are subtracting. You are required to subtract a number and you don't have that number to subtract. An example here. I can move in 7 on my abacus. Look at my abacus. Don't touch your abacus. I have moved in 7. Then they require me to subtract 4. How am I going to subtract 4 on this number? This is where breaking 5 comes in, like we saw in the last chapter. Yes. I will break 5 and I add the sibling of 4, which is 1. Making my answer 3. Good. So always use breaking 5 when you are required to subtract a number and you don't have that number. Good. On your abacus, let's revise. I see if you still remember. Sit upright, hold the left side of your abacus. Moving 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1, then minus 3. Break 5, add the sibling of 3, making our answer 4. Good. I need you to sit upright, hold the abacus. Move beads 1 to 9 very fast. You have 1 minute on all the columns. Start. Are you done? You are done when you have returned all the numbers and returned the abacus to 0. When you are done, your abacus has to be showing like mine here. Very good. A summary on the previous chapters, making and breaking 5. When you make 5, you return the sibling number. When do you make 5? When you are asked to add a number and you don't have that number to add. Breaking 5. When you break 5, you add the sibling number. Making 5, you make 5 and return the sibling number. But while breaking 5, you break 5 and add the sibling number. Good. So today, we will talk about the next chapter, which is making 10. Let's try out this. I have a simple question. Alice goes to the market. Alice goes where?
To the market.
She goes to the market with 3 baskets. She goes to the market with 3
baskets.
Alice goes to the market with 3 baskets. On her way, her aunt decides to add her 7 more baskets. Her aunt decides to add her 7 more baskets. How many baskets does Alice have in total? Kevin.
Alice have 10 baskets.
Kevin is saying that Alice has 10 baskets. Is it true?
Yes.
How did she come across the 10 baskets? She had the 3 and they added her with 7, making the total as 10. Good. So, in this case here, as we are making 5, we will use relative numbers. For making and breaking 5, we were using sibling numbers, but for making 10, we will need to use relative numbers. Someone can ask, what are relative numbers? What are relative numbers? Relative numbers, these are numbers added together to make a total of 10. Like in Alice's case, she had 3 baskets. They added her with 7 more baskets, and the total becomes 10. Let's fix our total number as 10. Relative numbers are numbers added together to make a total of 10. Which number can I add to 1 so that the total becomes 10? Yes?
That number is 9.
That number is 9. Good. Which number can I add to 2 so that the total becomes 10? Yes?
The number we can add to 2 and we make 10 is 8.
Is 8. Is he correct? Yes. Good. So 8 and 2 are relative numbers. So wherever you are dealing with this chapter that we've started, you will need more to use the relative numbers, like I will show you. So let's revise the relative numbers. The relative number of 1 is 9. Because when I add 1 to 9, the total is 10. The relative number of 2 is 8. The relative number of 3 is
7.
The relative number of 4 is
6.
The relative number of 5 is
5.
Good. Look at my abacus and don't touch your abacus. Look here. We have one rule that we follow while making 10. Do you still remember the rules we followed while making and breaking 5? Yes. Here, a similar rule comes, but for it, we will be making 10. Making 10 is similar to making 5, but the only difference is in making 5 we are using sibling numbers, but in making 10 we are using relative numbers. So the rule is still the same. Here, since it is making 10, while required to make 10, you will when does making 10 come? Making 10 will come when you are adding numbers on this column of ones. Do you still remember the place values? Yes. Which place value is this? Which place value is this?
10.
Which place value is this?
100.
So for today, let's focus more on the column on the place value of ones and the place value of tens. When are we required to make 10? That's a good question that you must ask yourself. You are required to make 10 when, for example, you have like 3 on the column of ones, and they ask you to add a number which you don't have. Like here, they ask you to add 7. Is it possible to add 7? Is it possible to add 7? No. Do we have 7 beads to add? No. That is where now making 10 comes in. We will shift to this column of tens using making 10, like I'm going to show you. So the rule is this: make 10 and remove the relative number. Every time you are asked to add a number on this column of ones, and that number is not there, you will shift to the column of tens, but using the method of making 10 for today. Let's try out some exercises. I have a number of exercises here on this page. There is an exercise here. There is question A. It is requiring us to do 9 plus 5. I told you any number without a sign, that means that number is positive. 9 plus 5. Look at my abacus. Don't touch your abacus. I'm required to move in 9 on my abacus. Then plus 5. Do I have 5 to add? No. You see, we have already used the 5, so we don't have 5 to add. This is where making 10 comes in. Like I have told you, this is where making 10 comes in. What will happen? I will make 10, as the rule says, make 10. And after making 10, a very important step follows. Remove the relative number. I make 10 using this hand, and I return the relative number of this number that I don't have. What is the relative number of 5? 5. Which number can I add to 5 so that the total becomes 10?
5.
So I will make 10 and I return the relative number of 5, which is 5. Making my answer as?
14.
Which answer do I have here?
14.
Very good. On your abacus, we do it together. On your abacus, move in 9. You need to first return everything, then move in 9. Have you moved in 9 on your abacus?
Yes.
Very good. Plus 5. Do you have 5 beads to add?
No.
What will happen? The rule is here. Make 10. After making 10, what happens?
Remove the relative number.
We remove the relative number of?
5.
You remove the relative number of this number that we did not have. You remove the relative number of 5, which is?
5.
Making our answer 14. Do it alone on your abacus. Moving 9 plus 5. And the answer is 14. Look at my abacus here. Look at my abacus and don't touch your abacus. So we move to example B. I am required to move in 6 plus 9. Be mindful of the place values. We will be using the place value of 1, 6, then plus 9. Be mindful that the place value we are using is this, 1s. I move in 6 plus 9. Do I have 9 beads to add?
No.
Do you still remember the rule?
Yes.
What are we going to do?
Going to make 10 and return the relative number of 9.
What are we going to do?
We are going to make 10 and return the relative number of 9.
9. We are going to make 10 using this hand and return the relative number of 9. What is the relative number of 9? Which number can I add to 9 so that the total becomes 10? That will be the relative number. What is the relative number of 9?
1.
I return the relative number of 9, which is 1, making my answer as 15. On your abacus, moving 6 plus 9. Remember to use the correct fingers while moving. 6 plus 9. The answer is 15. Very good. Clear your abacus. We move to the next example. On your abacus, everyone move in 3. Have you moved in 3?
Yes.
Have you moved in 3 on your abacus?
Yes.
Very good. Let me also move in 3 using my thumb. Plus 8. You are required to add 8. Can you add 8 on your abacus? What will happen because we don't have 8 to add on that column? You will help us explain, please help us explain how we're going to add 8 on that abacus. Yes, please.
To first make 10. After making 10, we are going to return the relative number of 8.
Which is?
2.
Very good. We clap for her with the 2 factorial. Good. She's saying we are going to make 10 and return the relative number of 8, which is 2. making our answer as 11. Very good. I will need one fellow who will come here and help us do E. Yes, I'm going to choose my daddy. Come, help us do C. You will be reading for him as he does on the abacus here. Don't touch your abacus. Look at the abacus here. Good. Read for him.
Moving 2 plus 4 plus 9.
We read for him as he does.
Moving 2 plus 4
He's trying to add 4, yes.
plus 9.
I'm going to make 10 and return the relative number of 9, which is 1.
Very good. Very good. Stand up. We are going to give him flowers. Warm your hands. My daddy, thank you very much. Warm your hands. Warm your hands. Increase the speed. Increase the speed. Increase the speed. Clap once. Sit. My dad has explained this example very well. We are going to do it on our abacuses together. Moving 2. Have you moved in 2 on your abacus?
Yes.
Plus 4. 2 plus 4. You need to explain to us how you added 4. Using the method of what? Because there is no 4 to add. How do you add 4?
You make 5 and return the sibling number of 4, which is 1.
Very good. Then plus
9.
plus 9. How are we going to add 9?
Make 10 and return the relative number of 9, which is 1.
Very good. Making our answer as 15. Good. You are going to do for me this using your abacus. After you raise your hand up, use your abacus to solve F. You are solving F. She is done. This is very good. You can try. Yes, come and try for us on our abacus how you did this F. Please stop. Don't touch your abacus. Look at our abacus here. You are going to help us solve F. Please, you read for her. The first step is what? Clearing the what? Abacus and remove the numbers that were there. So read for her.
Moving 3
Plus
Moving 3. Good.
plus 5
Plus 3.
So we are going to make 10 and return the relative number of 3, which is 7.
Making our answer as?
11.
Let me see how many had their answer as 11. Good. We are going to clap for her. Warm your hands again. Warm your hands again. She did a very good work here. Increase the speed. Increase the speed. Clap twice. Very good. Our answer here is 11. That's good. So on your abacus, everyone, move in 7. Have you moved in 7 on your abacus? Plus 9, remember to use the correct fingers while dealing with this column. 7 plus 9, have you added 9? Yes. Then minus 4. Minus 4. Have you removed 4?
Yes.
Yes. Which answer do you have? Please share us with your answer. Which answer do you have on your abacus?
on my abacus, I have 7.
She has 7 on her abacus. You want to share us your answer? Yes. Which answer do you have on your abacus?
On my abacus, I have 12 as the answer.
She has 12 as the answer. Good. You would like to try? Please share us with the answer that you got.
I got 12.
She got 12. Let's try together on our big abacus.
Yes.
Good. Please stand up, Briella, and help us. Do this. Please do not touch your abacus. Look at Briella using the big abacus to solve. Please explain. Read for her.
Moving 7
Yes. 7. Like this. Yes.
plus 9
We don't have 9.
What are you going to do?
We are going to make 10.
Yes. She's saying we are going to make 10. Good. After making 10, we were required to add 9 and we didn't have 9. She's saying we first make 10. After making 10,
We return the relative number of 9, which is 1.
return the relative number of 9, which is 1. Good. Then read
minus 4.
minus 4. How are we going to remove 4?
We don't have 4.
We don't have 4 to remove. Yes. What are we going to do? What are we going to do, Briella, to subtract 4? Can you help Briella? Yes. What are we going to do? Please stand up and tell her what we are going to do. Kim, stand up. Help Briella understand what we are going to do. How are we going to remove 4?
We break 5.
After breaking 5.
And we
And we are using, remember we are using the method of breaking 5, right? What happens after breaking 5?
add the sibling number of 4, which is 1.
Good. And we add the sibling number of 4, which is 1. Thank you very much. We have an exercise. Open your books. On page 75, try answering A and B. And I will come to check your answers. Let your abacus be on the book. Yes, please. Yes. Okay. Her pencil fell down. Have you finished doing A and B? Remember to use the correct fingers. You're done. Let's wait for our colleagues to get done. Use the correct fingers. A and B. Together we are going to collect A and B together. Read for me. What do we have on A? We are going to do together. You do on your abacus while I do on my abacus. We move in
9.
Move in 9 on your abacus.
Plus.
Have you moved in 9 on your abacus?
Yes.
Plus
5.
plus 5. Please add 5. What are you going to do as we add 5?
We are going to make 10 and return the relative number of 5, which is 5.
Very good. And this makes our answer as?
14.
Very good. Let me see those that had the answers 14. Good, good. Flowers to you. Let's try out B. Read B as you do on your abacus.
Moving 6.
Remember the correct fingers to move in 6. Have you moved in 6 on your abacus?
Yes.
Yeah, then next.
Plus 9.
How are we going to add 9?
We are going to make 10 and return the relative number of 9, which is 1.
Very good. Making our answer as
15.
Let's try out some mental math. Image the abacus in your mind, isn't it? Move in 2 plus 9. Have you added 9? Yes. Using the method of making 10? Yes. Which answer do we have? Which answer do you have, please?
The answer is 11.
She has the answer as 11. 11 is correct. Next, let's try out the next mental math question. Move in 4. Imagine that you have moved in 4 in the air, 4 beads. Are you having 4 beads in the air?
Yes.
Plus 5 plus 6. Have you added 6?
Yes.
Have you added 6?
Yes.
I need to know your answers that you got. Please share us with the answer. Which answer did you get?
The answer is 15.
She has the answer as 15. Which answer did you get?
The answer is 15.
Good. The correct answer is 15. We clap hands for these members. They have done it well. Warm. Warm your hands. Warm your hands. Increase the speed. Increase the speed. Clap thrice. Stand up. Sit. Stand up. Sit. Stand up. Let's try out the next mental math as we are standing up. In the air, moving 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2. Which answer do you have? You want to try? Yes. Which answer do we have?
17.
She has the answer as 17. Good.
My answer is 17.
Your answer is 17.
My answer is 17.
The answer is 17. 17 is correct. Good, good, good. We are going to clap hands for ourselves. I'm going to teach you how we are going to clap hands for ourselves. We are going to clap with a 3 factorial. 3 times first, 2 times second, and 1 time last. Are you ready? Warm, 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 warm. Increase the speed. 3 factorial, clap. Very good. Sit. We revise the chapters that we talked about today. Making 10. What do we do while making 10? What do we do while making 10? We use which kind of numbers? Are they sibling numbers or relative numbers? Class. What do we use while making 10 together?
We use relative numbers.
We use the relative numbers. What is the relative number of 4? Please, what is the relative number of 4?
The relative number of 4 is 6.
Good. The relative number of 4 is 6. What is the relative number of 5? Yes?
The relative number of 5 is 5.
Very good. What is the relative number of 1? Yes, someone here at the back. What is the relative number of 1?
The relative number of 1 is 9.
Very good. And how do we use these relative numbers? We said that we use relative numbers only when they ask you to add a number and you don't have it on the column of ones, isn't it? For example, 3 plus 7. We don't have 7 to add, so you make 10 and remove the relative number of 7, which is 3. Okay, thank you very much for today's class. Let's meet in the next class. Guess what? We'll have amazing chapters to study. Thank you. And before we leave, your homework is on page 76. Turn page 76 before we leave, because you need to practice so that in Abacus Mental Math, you become good. Are we together? Thank you very much for today. See you.
Hello, dear parents, guardian, and children. My name is Brigitte Witonze from Shenmo Education Rwanda. This summer holiday, give your child a powerful head start in mathematics. Shenmo Education Rwanda, in partnership with Rwanda Basic Education Board, brings you the exciting Abacus Mental Math summer program, specially designed for primary school children, especially those in lower primary, from P1 to P3. The Abacus is a traditional calculating tool used for performing fast and accurate arithmetic operations. Through the ancient Abacus method, your child will learn to calculate faster than a calculator. This program improves concentration, sharpens the memory, boosts confidence, and strengthens overall academic performance. Abacus training helps children to develop strong memory arithmetic skills, logical thinking, and a love of mathematics that will last a lifetime. Parents and guardians, we encourage you to follow this valuable program together with your children on YouTube channel of Rwanda Basic Education Board through this summer holiday. Don't miss this golden opportunity to support your child's bright future. Let's together build a bright mind. Thank you.